Hi family, welcome to Vlogmas Day 9. In today's video, we are going to be finally setting up our living room for Christmas. We are a little behind, but better late than never. In the previous video, we finally purchased our Christmas tree. We got to set it up with the help of Nadia and Grandma, and we also got to decorate the Christmas tree. However, we didn't do anything else with the rest of the house because I'm also decorating my Airbnb. I decided to take a break from the Airbnb to come back to my own house to finish setting it up for Christmas. And I have the cutest little helper, little Miss Nadia. Alright family, let's get into decorating. I decided to leave this chair here. As you all know, this corner usually has two chairs, but I took them out to put up the Christmas tree, but I decided to bring one of them back, just in case Santa wants to sit here and eat his cookies, as one of you suggested. Alright, so I'm just adding this cute blanket that I got for free from Victoria's Secret. I had to buy something, of course. And I'm also adding this pillow with Santa's face on it. Nadia actually chose this one. All right, moving on to the corner chair. I'm not really doing too much. I'm just adding little pops of red everywhere. This year, our theme is red and green, so there will be a lot of red all over the house by the time we're done. To be honest, I don't know if Nadia is helping or distracting me. Either way, she's busy. So I'm just cleaning the table here because Nadia has her little prints everywhere. Anything that is glass or mirrors, she has her print on them. Anyway, moving on to the big chair. This chair is one of my favorite chairs. I've actually had this set for a while and I'm not getting rid of it anytime soon. I spent a pretty penny on it and the quality is great, and the covers can be taken off and washed, so I'm not really worried about Nadia staining it because she does stain it. So all I have to do is take it off, wash it, and put it back. I'm leaving a lot of my original decor here because it's light and I like it a lot. So like I said, I'm just adding pops of red in certain places. There's going to be more Christmas stuff in some places, but there's going to be less in other places. So I decided to put this little joy pillow here. It's really cute and it incorporates all of the colors that I'm going for. Alright, so moving on to the fireplace, I'm putting this garland here underneath the fireplace, and I have this overlap falling to the side effect going on. Yeah, that is all I'm doing here, but I will be coming back to it a little later. Moving on to my table, again, I'm just spraying it down. I couldn't find my regular table cleaner, so I'm using Windex. I've used it in the past and it works just fine. So yeah, I'm lifting up the table, cleaning underneath because, again, the dust that gets collected here, this room is a very tall room, so the dust, I don't know, there is something about these kind of rooms and dust. I have to dust this area at least twice a week if I want it to look really nice and shiny. And that's not even a joke. Anyway, again, keeping a lot of my original decor and just adding a few Christmas pieces. This is one of my favorite candles. It smells really, really good, so I'm leaving it. This candle is really hard to lit because it has like 6 or 8 little things that you have to put on, and by the time you're done with one, the other one goes out, and it's really annoying, especially when the fan is on. But it smells amazing and it's really cute for the space. Anyway, moving back on to the fireplace mantle, I have 5 stockings, 3 solid red and then 2 with like a beige-ish color. You'll see when I put it up here. I decided to go with 5 because that's all I could fit, but I need a lot more stockings. Like I said, my family will be spending Christmas here, so we need stockings for everyone. But this is what I can fit for now. At least this is what makes sense for the space. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, moving on to this side table. I am not, again, doing too much here. I have this tray, and then I have my red Christmas throw blanket that I'm just gonna put here on the corner of the chair. So anyway, I'm just putting some leftover ornaments in the tray, and Nadia loves that. She likes to play with it. She'll throw it all over the place, and then she'll go back and pack it and put it back. So that keeps her entertained, I guess. All right, moving on to the back of the couch. I have 2 seatings back here. Sometimes I put them in front of, the front of the living room, and sometimes I put them back here. It just depends on what's going on. If I have a lot of people over, they are usually on the other side. Anyway, putting these Christmas cones or trees, however way you want to call them. Again, just adding little bits and pieces of red in certain places. Moving on to my staircase, I have this long garland here. I still have to get more for the rest of the staircase, as you can see here, but this is what I have now, and I'm not gonna wait till I have every single thing before I put up the decoration, because sis, we will not decorate this house. I am doing 2 homes at the same time, and it gets confusing. Anyway, I think we are pretty much done for now, at least for the living room. So I'm just putting the rest of the stuff away. So now I want you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the living room. Alright family, the living room is all done. The next place we have to do is the dining room, the kitchen, my office, and the other rooms in the house. Oh, and I also have to do Nadia's room as well. I got her Christmas tree and we're going to put it up. We're going to set up her room. It's going to be so nice. I cannot wait for that. But yeah, family, make sure to stick around for the rest of the videos. Make sure your bell notifications are turned on. And also make sure to comment your favorite part of the video. All right. Thank you all again so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.